Good morning, everybody. Here's a little different video for you. I'm not going to draw. I'm going to give you a tour of my studio shed. And I thought I'd start out here, show you the backyard. You guys have all heard about all the construction and everything. There's my husband's workshop shed, and the wall that got built, and the spa, and the offending deck that broke my toe. And we're working on getting things painted. We still have work to do, but I thought I'd give you a little tour of in here. So when you come in, there's my window, there's my ceiling, and all of my art up there. And over here, this side is my desk to paint on. And then I have one of these old rolling cart thingies for my paints. I'm not going to show you every last little cubby or anything. Got this new thing from IKEA. This is cool. Screwed together those box things. Various supplies. Got my journals in there. And then my filming setup with my tripod and my light. And there's my standing desk. My air conditioner and my heater. And then on this side, my craft paints up at the top on my spinny thing, and this sort of sideboard credenza thing. And I've labeled all my drawers, so I know what I've put in each one. I'm not going to open them all, but it's got my paints and well, my brushes and my mediums and my mixed media stuff and my markers and my pens. And up there is for my paper and some more extra pens, and that's it. And I'm going to stand back here so you can see my ceiling from this side. I'm really happy with the way the ceiling turned out. It just makes me happy when I come in here. And that's it. And there's my view when I stand here and I turn around and look out of the rest of the house and the trailer. And that's it. Quick little studio tour that I said I would promise that I would give you guys. Oh, and we did put carpet in here. I really like this carpet. It's those carpet squares. And you can just, if I get one dirty, I can just pull it out and pop another one in there. And it's kind of foamy, so it's got a bit of give to it. It's really nice. Alright, I think that's it. I'm going to go have breakfast now. I decided to do this now while it was really quiet this morning. The dogs in the neighborhood are not barking. Well, that's awesome. And so, yeah, I thought I'd give you guys this tour while it was quiet. I will see you on an actual drawing video in a few minutes. And, yeah, go out and have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.